Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a tiny sparrow named Sia. Sia was not like the other birds. She had a melodious voice that could charm the clouds, but she kept her song hidden. Sia replied, "I fear my voice is insignificant amidst the songs of the larger birds." Orion pondered for a moment and then said, "Sia, every voice is unique and valuable. Your song, though small, is a symphony to the wind and the trees." The next day, Sia decided to share her song. She flew to the top of the tallest tree and sang. Her melody was so enchanting that it brought peace to the forest. The larger birds were jealous and demanded, "How dare you? Our songs are grand and powerful, not like yours." Sia replied, "My song is not meant to compete with yours. It is a gift to be shared, not a prize to be won." From that day forward, Sia shared her song with the forest every day. Her melody brought joy, peace, and harmony to all. The other birds learned that it was not the volume of their voices that mattered, but the melody in their hearts. In the end, Sia's song was the most beautiful of all, not because it was loud, but because it was shared with love. And the forest was a happier place because of it. Moral **: share your gifts with the world, for they have the power to bring joy and harmony, regardless of their size or scale.